This is London with MarketHedge, looking at the trades from this morning. I want to bring you a technical video, 31K in the money right now. Should we ring the register? This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. Now, you've seen this specific account. I'm bringing you an update. This specific account was $10,000. What was it, last week, guys? So in terms of that, rewatch the videos if you want to confirm that. The details today, what did we do this morning? And I'm bringing this for a very specific reason because I want to walk you through the details as to why I set the orders up and how are we in the money $30,000 right now. These bright colored lines are orders that have what? That have picked up. They were long orders. You guys got that right. You'll see MarketHedge allows me of the 50 orders that I did input this morning, allows me to view each and every one of them on the side, right? Their specific increment on the right hand side in green, and the lighter color orders never picked up. Okay, so those were orders that did not pick up. You see the candle drop, boom, boom. It was a nice pickup of liquidity. Guys, orders like mine provide the liquidity in the market. So you may say, well, all your trades are just working out. Well, this is actual liquidity in the market. What was each order? What was each order? Let's pay attention and let's review very quickly because we picked up 17 orders. 17 orders picked up. What were the details? $1,400 in margin each at 220x. Now, I cannot place in on our partner BTCC. I cannot place in. What is this? 17 orders. If we're going like over $22,000 in terms of margin, guys, 20, 22, 25, I can't put that much in at 220x. You know that. So what this allows me to do, this process, it operates as a margin bypass. At 220x, my max, you guys see that I went through the max margin today, etc., and the minimum margin today? Yes. Each of these orders has the margin 1,400. So how did I get around the max margin issue? This is how things can really skyrocket in an account. I want you to look at the specific of the 17 orders that picked up. And notice they're anywhere from 3,300. Okay, let me just zoom in so you've got that. 3,300, 3,200. These are each individual orders, 17 in total. Let's pay attention. They're all in the profit from 900 all the way up to 3,300. Now, what is the trick? The trick is the leverage. Pay attention. We chose 220. We chose 220 in leverage. So what the system does is it steps down the leverage from 220. The next order is at 219, 218, 217, 216, all the way down to 204. Why is that important? Because now I can stack 20K. I can stack 30K. I can stack whatever the amount necessary into a leverage like 200x or into a leverage like 500x, into a leverage like 100x. So this operates as a margin bypass, which if you trade heavy-handed, pay attention, if you trade heavy-handed, you know the limits. Maybe at 5x, 10x, you know the limits now at 100x or 500x. So this is a maximum risk with maximum reward function in mind. Now, we're 34K, and if that doesn't sink in, I'm just going to invite you to rewatch this video, please. It's hugely important. Look at the 34K right now. I can hit the button. I'm really tied up with this, guys. I really think that the bulls look good, and these are one of the trades that can turn in and chalk up another 200 grand on the account, really. With that said, I've promised you that I would be increasingly agile in the market. So what am I going to do? I brought you a trade. If you stacked orders yourself, you're in the money. I would like you to get used to as well hitting the button. Now, if we could copy this, all of this, pay attention, if I could copy all of this into another account with $200,000 and the other account could stay open and I could allow that to ride to the upside, hey, yeah, now we're talking. That's being built right now. We're building multi-account. I'm building it right now. So until we have it, let's talk about it. I'll remind you it's incoming as a function of MarketHedge.pro, which we trade with BTCC, and shout out to all the guys at BTCC. We love you. You guys are the best partners. In terms of the technicals, let's not go over it. Appreciate I got in. What am I going to do? Let's go ahead and slam them closed. Let's do it. Boom. Now, where are we at on the balance? 233K, 33,000 that is. From a $10,000 account up to 233,000. What's the good news? Is it all about me? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? I have brought all of these trades live. All of them live. So, to the extent that you have made some bank, who's the hero? That would be you guys. Congratulations to everybody who's been trading. Again, this is London, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, not financial advice. You guys really want to learn how to trade? Number one thing, go try and hire the best, literally the best trader on any desk in New York. Try doing that. Sit with him for 6 months, a year plus. Then see whether or not you can trade. See whether or not he can trade compared to you. These are some of the issues, guys, that personally, as I've walked my journey with the markets, some people will claim to know how to trade and not. I'll just tell you, until you sat down with or hired literally the number one guy from the number one desk in New York, guys, most people, if not the vast majority of people, don't know what they're talking about in terms of trading. I'm very privileged to be able to interact with you and with our trade group. Shout out to Luke, who has been a standing force in VIP. Our trade rooms in the back, what we are calling Tier 1 VIP MarketHedge, is going to be the place, and there are just more and more features incoming every day. I told you that we're working on this leaderboard, the ability to follow the leaderboard. I'll tell you, you'll be able to follow the top traders. And what's going to happen? Pay attention. Listen up. This is not just a promotional. Register the idea. In terms of the specific trader you may choose to follow, you'll be able to load, not only receive a notification when they trade, you'll be able to actually register on the, and I've got the stream going, so it doesn't want to reload. Let's see. Or he's working on it right now. He may be working on it right now. What's going to occur is when we click on the specific trader for reviewing the trade, his trades, the trades will actually pop up on your screen to evaluate, which is going to be awesome. It's going to be so cool. I can't wait for a trade to occur from someone that you want to see their trade on a specific trading view chart. And I know for a fact our dev guy is active on this today. But yes, you'll be able to review just like my trades went through today. Boom. You'll be able to review them. You'll be able to adjust, if you choose, the margin, and you'll be able to execute it. You'll be able to say, hey, we got a right hook, or we got an uppercut that works. This guy knows how to punch. I'm going to punch right with him. Or at least let me see the active replay in terms of exactly how that punch just got thrown in the ring. This is London with MarketHedge. We'll talk to you guys soon. Always a pleasure to be with you. And during the dev process, we just appreciate, shout out big time to Luke. And I'm going to bring up his profile so you guys can just take a look. I think you've already seen him. There he goes. Let's see Luke in the house. Way to go, Luke. Way to go, guys. 230K. We'll talk soon. I'll bring you another trade if we have one. If we have one, I'll bring another trade. And Luke, good to chat with you. We'll chat soon. This is London with MarketHedge.